Baby Big Mouth! Surprise!
Happy Valentine's Day! It's a Baby Big Mouth surprise egg learner word. F. R. I. E. N. D. S. And what's that spell? Friends. F. R. I. E. N. D. S. Friends. Now for a friendly surprise.
Surprise!
Monsters University. Shake, shake, shake. Pop. Always a monster surprise with Monsters University. Is that Mike Wazowski? And now, a spelling celebration. Thanks for cracking us up. Bye-bye.
Surprise!
It's the Baby Big Mouth app. You control the fun in this brand new app, jam-packed full of Baby Big Mouth games. Shake, shake, shake. Get interactive and download the party now. Pop the Baby Big Mouth app. Time for some big fun.